Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the Anker USB-C to micro USB adapter, which basically, as the description says, it converts micro USB to USB-C, and you connect here the micro USB in this part, and it converts it to USB-C, and it is perfect because I have right here the newly Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, as you can see here, and so it comes with the USB-C, and this allows me to use my old micro USB cables into the phone. So yeah, it's pretty much it. It allows you to use it here. So I will be unboxing it, and the box is really simple. You can see power core USB-C. These are different products from them, and you can see it. And yeah, that's pretty much the packaging of this. So opening it, it's pretty simple as well, and there we go. Yeah, you see how simple it was to open it. And we have here, and sorry, I have to look the other USB that fell into the floor. So here it is. It's really small. You can see the adapter is really small. It has the branding name here, Anker, and you can see micro USB connector goes here, and the USB-C. And again, it's pretty straightforward. You just connect it here, and that's it. You connect the micro USB cable here, and that's it. Really simple. So it comes with two of these, so I understand why it comes with two of these, as these are pretty small and they can be lost easily. Well, at least for some people. Yeah, it can be lost pretty easily because it is small. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this unboxing video for the Anker USB-C to micro USB adapter. So if you like this video, please comment on it, share it with your friends, click the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.